Hello learners, welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to look at a flowchart in chemistry, and the question reads, below is a flowchart. Study it and answer the questions that follow. And anytime we are studying a flowchart, we usually look at the direction of the arrows. In this case, the flowchart begins with limestone. Then limestone undergoes step 1 to give us quicklime. Then quicklime undergoes step 2 where water is added to give us substance R. And substance R undergoes step 3 where it reacts with reagent Y to give us limestone. In this case, we need to understand that limestone is calcium carbonate. So we have limestone or calcium carbonate, which is a solid. Calcium carbonate or limestone goes through step 1 or undergoes step 1 to give us quicklime, and quicklime is calcium oxide. So to get quicklime from limestone, we usually heat limestone to give us quicklime, or what we can call calcium oxide. So quicklime plus of course carbon 4 oxide, since this is a carbonate. Then from there, we take quicklime, which is calcium oxide, a solid. We add water in step 2. Water is a liquid, and this one gives us calcium hydroxide, which is aqueous. In this case, quicklime plus water will give us R, and R is calcium hydroxide. Then we go further, we take R, which is calcium hydroxide, aqueous. We add reagent R to get calcium carbonate. In this case, we are going to add carbon 4 oxide gas so that we can get calcium carbonate, which is a solid, and of course plus water, and water is a liquid. So let us look at the questions. Name the process in step 1. The process in step 1 is where limestone is being heated to give us quicklime. So Roman 1 is heating. Since we are using heat, we can also call it thermal decomposition, or just call it decomposition. Then Roman 2, name compound R, and we have already seen that compound R is formed when quicklime or calcium oxide combines with water, and this is calcium hydroxide. So compound R is calcium hydroxide. Then we have Y, and our reagent Y is carbon 4 oxide. Our reagent Y is carbon 4 oxide, or simply use the name carbon 4 oxide. Then Roman 3, write the equation for the reaction in step 2. Step 2 is where quicklime is reacting with water to form calcium hydroxide. And in step 2, the reaction is this one here. So this is the answer to the question, to Roman 3 of the question. Then explain why 0.1 molar hydrochloric acid has a pH of 1, while 0.1 molar ethanoic acid has a pH of 3. We know that hydrochloric acid is a strong acid, while ethanoic acid is a weak acid. So C, part of the question, we say 0.1 molar hydrochloric acid ionizes completely in water, while 0.1 molar ethanoic acid ionizes partially. partially in water. What it means, if hydrochloric acid ionizes completely in water, it means it releases more hydrogen ions into the water, hence it is a strong acid. While 0.1 molar ethanoic acid, since it's a weak acid, it ionizes partially, hence it gives out less hydrogen ions, and therefore it is weaker compared to hydrochloric acid in this case.